This video tutorial will teach you several ways you can save citations for sources you are using in your research. Once you've found an article that is useful for your research, it's best to save the citation right away. This could save you hours on the back end hunting down an article, or worse, forgetting to cite it altogether. One easy way to do this is to click the quotation mark next to the source that you're wanting to cite. Now, OneSearch will give you the option of which style guide you'd like to use. You'll see them here on the left with APA 6th, Chicago, Harvard, MLA 7th, and the new edition of MLA 8. Then, select the style manual your professor has asked you to use. It is extremely important to remember that OneSearch's citation feature is not fail-proof. They will make mistakes. You'll want to double check that all of the elements are represented correctly. Once you've done so, you can simply copy and paste it into your reference list in whatever word processing application you are using. OneSearch also gives you the option to export information to a citation manager. You'll want to choose to manage all of the citations for the project you're working on with one manager, and be sure to set up an account first. Now, with OneSearch, you have several options. You can choose RefWorks. You might select EasyBib, or you could choose EndNote. These services allow you to create folders for different topics to help keep you organized. However, they can also be less accurate than OneSearch, meaning more time on your part for generating citations. RefWorks is free to SJSU students. I've included a link to more information below the video. With the citation generating capabilities of OneSearch and its exporting features, you're well on your way to creating your bibliography for your next research project. Good luck and happy researching!